Hey everyone, we're back at it with another one. Today we're doing a pair of Freebird boots, full resole with a leather sole. So come join us, check it out, and let's check out the inside structure of these. These are the Haley style, so we'll do a little bit of love and work on these.
Yeah. Yeah. I've heard. Yeah. Yeah. I've heard about that. I never tried it. Yeah. I know. In our case, we had not trucks. Yeah. I'm more of a beef guy, but I do love my fucking pork as well. Yeah, the one that fucks with me probably the most is
Alright everyone, so we basically got them all finished out with the bottom stains and everything like that there. And these, I gotta clean off this table at some point, it's so dusty and everything. But I've got it touched up a little bit with color. It's a very, very mild color that I applied back in there. I used the Tarago color spray for suedes and nubucks, very, very lightly on there. But the most important thing that we're gonna have to use is a waterproofer. We like the Nano Protector from Tarago. It's really good. It doesn't change color on anything, so you definitely want to make sure you get them nice and wet, just really quickly, just like that. Now it's fairly strong of a smell, so definitely you don't want to do this outside or a heavily ventilated area. We've got fans and everything, and extraction fans and all that here in the shop, so the smell shouldn't stay too long. But as you can tell, it's already starting to evaporate pretty quickly, and it should be activated in about 15 to 30 minutes is what it says. I prefer to wait about 24 hours, But yeah, that's they're basically done. The only other thing I'm gonna have to do, there's that little rip right there. I'm gonna go ahead and stitch that up. I'm gonna take some pictures, and they're basically ready to go. So I'm not gonna show the stitching process. It's kind of annoying and obnoxious, but at least you got to see the whole process of the normal recrafting and everything. So if you have any kind of damages with straps, we could definitely fix those up. Zipper slides, I've noticed sometimes they get a little crushed, so we could either replace just the slide, or if you need to have the whole zipper replaced too, we could also do that. So I thought I'd point it out. But yeah, I'll leave a link in the description for this guy here. You're definitely going to want to do that to brand new pairs, or even pairs that you've had before, if you're wanting to prevent them from getting damaged. Now, I know a lot of the Freebird collectors out there, the Freebird flock they're known as, like that rustic beat up look. That's fine, but there are some things that are very damaging to leather that you want to prevent from being absorbed into the leather. Otherwise you end up with cracks like this, and there isn't too much you could do with those cracks because it's in a bendable area. A lot of fillers we can sometimes do maybe on the toes or the heels if you're very particular, but in these bendable areas those fillers tend to crack. So definitely waterproof your leather goods, and especially if you plan to wear them very frequently like these were. So they got a whole bath treatment and everything. But yeah, if you're wanting this service done, if you're local here in the Denver area, stop on by our shop. We're off of Evans and Birch, basically Evans and I-25. Otherwise, if you need to mail them in, feel free to do so. You could either go through our website as far as ordering any services that you want, or you could just mail them in and we'll give you a call and kind of talk over options and everything like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Otherwise, give us a call or stop by. Check out all our social media as well. I'll leave a link for our link tree. In other words, that'll have all those details there and everything. But make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and hit that notification bell icon to be notified when the next video is out.